Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. All right, traders, we made it through this week so far. The Omni has been calling S&P in the right direction day after day. Omni once again calls for a red Omni, another down day. This is for Friday, January 9th, 2009. Traders, it even opened up its target on the downside for a deeper target. Now, I'm going to say something. I'm reading in my chat rooms, and I'm reading it in the papers, and I'm hearing the chatter on the streets. The Obama rally, you think after the speech it's going to continue to go up? Maybe after his inauguration, the bottom's in. Traders, unless this guy puts on a Superman outfit and he goes backwards around the earth until it starts spinning in reverse and takes us back about 9 months, if he can do that, he's got a chance of holding up the market. If Obama can't do that, and I don't think he can, maybe he's Superman, but we'll find out. But if Obama's not Superman, then the likelihood is that this bear market continues to go lower. Listen, I've been ranting and raving in my videos, video after video, especially in the last 10, 15, 20 videos. I've been talking about the big shoe that's going to drop commercial real estate, and more importantly, what's going to happen after this year, or I should say last year now, after the holiday season's results came in, and we found out so many stores that make all their profit for November, December for the year did not make their profit, did not sell the products that were in the stores, and people on this planet weren't running out this holiday season to empty the shelves. And I've been saying that's going to happen, and we're going to get the worst retail sales reports in 40, 50, 60 years coming out this month. I stick to that opinion, traders. I am telling you right now, Macy's is shutting down stores. I read it in the papers today and heard it on TV. You know what? Even Walmart said that sales were worse than they ever expected. Even Walmart. Traders, Walmart is like the store of stores. They have taken over the country. And other countries too, as you know. If Walmart's getting hurt and Macy's is closing down stores, what do you think is going to happen to all the smaller chains that only have 30, 50 stores in malls across the United States that did not sell their products for the holiday season? Their reports are going to come out. They're going to start going out of business, shutting down stores, merging to stay alive. They got to lay people off. The layoffs continue. We're not ready to come out of the bear market yet, traders. We need to heal first, and that's if the bottom has even come our way yet. My analysis tells me we go down for another dip, and then a long flat, and then another dip, and then maybe out of this, maybe at the end of the year, I don't know. Now, we are day traders, so I don't have to worry about where it'll be next year. I got to worry about where it's going to be tomorrow, and tomorrow, this thing could be at 850, baby, 850. We're trading 905, maybe 907 right now as I speak. Omni for Friday, Jan 9th, 2009, Omni says to sell it in the mid to high teens. That means once it gets above 13, in between 13 and 20, you want to get short the S&P in between 913 and 920. Now, if you want a more exact level, traders, you come on down to my site. It's www.livewithoscar.com. Take a look at the Omni recommendation, and you will get a much more precise level on where we're looking to get in. Traders, if you are going to sell the S&P after doing your own homework in the teens, make sure you put your stop in a sensible place. A stop is your best friend. Always use stops. Again, if you don't know where to place your stop, just be a member of my site. We give you the stop level. All right, traders, so we are going to sell the S&P in the mid to high teens. We are expecting the possibility of the low 850s. We're selling them in the 915 to 20 area. We're possibly expecting the 850s with support on the way down at 886 and again at 871 on its way down to the 850s. That's where we see some support. If you do take this trade, make sure you're out by the close. Traders, I know if you look at the charts and listen to the street, it sounds bullish, but Omni's calling for the downside. Omni is more right than anything I've ever seen before, and this is day after day, year after year. Nothing on this planet, as far as trading's concerned, is 100%. Nothing. You're lucky to get 65%, but I can tell you this much. There's a huge crowd of people that follow me every day, and they keep coming back, and that's because the Omni works. So you come on down to the site, you check out the Omni for yourself, and you see if it is not good at picking direction, and equally as good at telling you where to get in and where to possibly get out. Again, no one can do it without losses, but Omni is a good place for you to start doing your homework for sure. All right, traders, make sure you come on down to the site. Make sure you're in the chat rooms where I'm live on camera and microphone as much as I humanly can do it, 24 hours a day. While I am in New York City, I've been a little more sporadic on my camera because, look, I got meetings. That's why I'm here, so you know how that works. But I will be back in Vegas on Saturday and starting Sunday through all next week. Business as usual. All right, traders, so don't forget, you're going to sell this thing if we can get another $5, $10 higher than where we are now. You're going to look for the possibilities of the 850s and 886, and again at 871 is support on the way down. Reports are coming out this week. Tomorrow's Friday. You got the rest of the reports coming out, traders. I'm not even going to get into the fundamentals or mention which report and what's expected, because you know what? Who cares? That always comes out in the charts first. Fundamentals always come out in the charts first. And that is one of the things we teach at the Omni Trading Academy, along with the proper mentality that you need to implement a proper trading strategy. That is a difficult thing to do. Coming up with the trade, a good recommendation is hard enough, but implementing it is twice as hard, and sticking to that plan till the trade is over. If you need help in that area, traders, you come on down to my site. I will be there to mentor you through that, because it is absolutely one of the most difficult parts about being a trader. All right, traders, I will say this. I don't mention it in many videos, but I am a broker, and I wouldn't mind at all being your personal broker. If you want to open up an account with me, you simply come to my site. Again, it's www.livewithoscar.com. Click on find out what's involved in opening a trading account with Oscar, what's included in opening a trading account. Click that link. It'll take you right to where you can open an account. Then I can help you in a much closer way to do your trading. All right, traders, thank you so much for watching these videos. I hope they're helping you. Don't forget, we got a Red Omni again on Friday for the S&P. If you're an analyst and you go look at the S&P, you go look at the NASDAQ, you look at the transport, you look at the industrials, you will see why Omni's looking for another down day. All right, traders, keep your emotions out of trading, as I tell you every day. Make sure to say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, because it'll help you keep emotions out of trading. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.